Say what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the multi-band compressor and the compressor to increase the leveler of your music, of your beats, you know. So when you got the compressor, FX compressor and the multi-band compressor, you got like the best thing that could help you to increase the volumes of your beats and get the whole sound that you need clear and crispy. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure we grow together, like my videos, comment, request anything. I'm open for collaboration. Let's reach 1k fam before the end of this month, so you guys better subscribe, man. Support your boy. The beats are fire, man. Subscribe right here down in the description, or I mean in my channel description. Yeah, of course you need to subscribe, bro. What? Don't hate. Okay, let's go. As you can see, bruh, I got my FX compressor already open. All you need to do is to play around with the input and the output, the ratio, the attack, the release, the level, and the auto gain. So I think compressor, it gives you the fullness of like the whole sound that you need, man. And then of course you need to add the FX leveler, you need to add the FX limiter to check any instrument with high frequency that is breaking above. Yeah, so you will see it in the FX limiter. One thing that you gotta make sure, bruh, is that when you use multi-band compressor, you need to check the high, the low, and the mid. What I mean by that, my kick has a lot of I think it's about to clip because there is a lot of bass in the loop. Okay, so I need to check it on the FX band compressor, and I can see that my mid is still up. So I need to do something with the kick. Maybe it's the snare that I need to fix. Then I will go and decrease it, or else then I will have to edit. You see, now I have this kick or snare hitting above my mid in the FX compressor, FX multi-band compressor. So what I need to do is to decrease it so that everything will be balanced, not off balanced. And the reason why my drums are hitting is because I added the distortion, and I like using the clip. Thank you so much, guys. If you watch this video to the end, shout out to you, man. You'll be the first one to get a drum loop or a melody loop that I'm about to drop very soon. As long as we reach 1K, I'ma drop free loops. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, see you in the next video. I got tons of tutorials.